Find the range of the function f of x is equal to sin x into cos 3x plus 3 cos x over 4 into 1 plus cos square x. So, solution. The given function is f of x is equals to sin x into cos 3x plus 3 cos x over 4 times 1 plus cos square x. So, to find the range of this function, first I will simplify this f of x. So, to simplify f of x, what I do is I will use here two formulas, two results. That is, one is cos 3x result, another one is 1 plus cot square x is equal to cosecant square x. That is the identity. So here, first one is we have this result cos 3x is equal to 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. So this is the one result. So another result I use is identity, that is cosecant square x minus cot square x is equal to 1. So from this result, 1 plus cot square x is equal to cosecant square x. Cosecant square x. So now what I do is I will substitute this cos 3x with 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x and 1 plus cot square x with cosecant square x. So with this substitution, then f of x becomes f of x is equal to sin x into cos 3x is equals to 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. Already one 3 cos x is there, that is plus 3 cos x over is 4 times 1 plus cot square x is cosecant square x. Now this implies our f of x is equals to, now minus 3 cos x and plus 3 cos x cancel. So in numerator you will have 4 sin x into cos cube x or 4 cosecant square x. This 4 and 4 cancel. So f of x is equal to, so you take out this cosecant square x into numerator. The cosecant square x, if you take out into numerator, that becomes sin square x. So already one sin x is there, therefore this becomes sin cube x. Because already one sin x is there in numerator, if you take out cosecant square x into numerator, it becomes sin square x. Therefore sin cube x into cos cube x. Now this is our f of x. Now to find the range of this function, you convert this sin cube x into cos cube x into sin cube x into cos cube x into single trigonometric function. So to convert this into single trigonometric function, what I do is you multiply and divide by 8. So if you divide by 8, you multiply by 8. If you multiply by 8, then you can write this thing as 2 sin x cos x whole cube. Now here use the result, the 2 sin x cos x is equal to sin 2x. We know this formula. Therefore sin 2x is equal to 2 sin x cos x. So use this result over here. So if you replace this 2 sin x cos x with the sin 2x, then f of x will be converted in terms of a single trigonometric function. Therefore f of x is equal to 1 by 8 into, therefore sin cube 2x. Now to find the range of this f of x, first you take the sin x. Now as we know that the sin 2x lies between -1 and 1. So sin 2x. sorry, sine 2x lies between -1 and 1. Now if we cube on both sides, then what you get, again the sine cube 2x also lies between -1 to 1. Now multiply throughout with 1 by 8. If you multiply throughout with 1 by 8, then what you get, -1 by 8 is less than or equal to 1 by 8 into sine cube 2x is less than or equal to 1 by 8. So what is this 1 by 8 into sine cube 2x? F of x. Therefore this implies -1 by 8 is less than or equals to f of x is less than or equals to 1 by 8. So that implies you can write this thing as f of x belongs to closed interval -1 by 8 to 1 by 8. So this is the range of the given function.